Myself, Daniel Rosario from Sun Phenomena Group of Institutions, Chandapura Branch, Grade 4. Few G Sky Concepts. Proverbs: work is worship, policy is the best policy. Wait, there is a way, there is a way. All the details is not good. Face the entrance of the main. There is God. Gather too much and idle mind is the devil's workshop. There is no shortcut to hard words. To hard I old is gold. Actions speak louder than words. Journey of thousand miles with a single step. An empty vessel makes much noise. A picture is worth of thousand words. A sitting time saves the time. As you show you shall reap. 10 minutes to God minutes. Don't judge a book by its cover. Easy come, easy go. Every dog has its day. Doctor is the best medicine. Learn to walk before you run. Think before you learn. Necessity is the mother of invention. No game without pen. Out of sight, out of mind. Pen is better than words. People who live class houses do not toast as others. Practice make perfect. Rohan steady with the race. Fight while the iron is hot. With the fizzy we check the grease. Time and time wait for none. Too many cooks spoil the grouse. Neighboring states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. Neighboring countries of India, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan. Classical dances of India, Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Yakshagana, Karnataka, Kathak, North India, Kuchukpudi, Andhra Pradesh, Manipur, Uttam Tudal, Kerala, Odisha, Mohiniyattam, Kerala, Satriya, Assam. Wildlife sanctuaries and National Park: the Chigam National Park, Kana National Park, Gir National Park, Bandipur National Park, Garbet National Park, Dudhwa National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Kana National Park, Jandarkana National Park, Periyar National Park. Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dogre, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Madiri, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sastri, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu. Agriculture crops in India: rice, wheat, jute, sugar cane, cotton, tea, coffee, ragi. Solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. 4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda. 5 oceans: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Despur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Gopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mysuru, Mysore, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Tripura, Agatal, Telangana, Hyderabad, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Nadu, West Bengal, Kolkata. Fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Fundamental duty to respect the Constitution, national flag and national anthem, follow ideas of the freedom struggle, protect sovereignty and integrity of the nation, defend the country and render national services when called upon. Spirit of common brotherhood, dissolve composite culture, dissolve natural environmental, develop scientific temper, safeguard public property, send for excellent duty for all parents, guardian to send their children to school. Preamble: we the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socially secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the institution and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adapt and give to ourselves this Constitution. Major rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamina, Varani, Vaiga, Yamuna. The Sutra of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Purma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalke. Botanical names of fruits: mango, magnifica, indica, banana, musa, pedisca, apple, malas, pumila, grapes. With these benifera, orange, citrus, sinus, papaya, carica, papaya, pineapple, ananas, camas, lemon, citrus, lemon, guava, CDM, guava, watermelon, citrus, clamter. Botanical names of vegetables: potato, solam, tubusum, onion, alluvium, sepa, carrot, duckus, carrota, cucumber, cucumber, sativas, black pepper, piper, nigra, pisium, sativas, ginger, genius, and officer, turmeric, curcuma, longa, radish, repen, and sativas, lemon, citrus, limonium. 5 kingdom system: kingdom Monero, unicellular prokaryotic organism; kingdom Plantae, unicellular and and kingdom Protista, unicellular and unicellular karyotic organisms, fungi, unicellular and multicellular non-green plants, kingdom Plantae, all multicellular non-green plants, kingdom Mammalia, all multicellular animals. Animal tissues, these are classified into 4 types: epidermal tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, muscular tissue. Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Gujarat, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, VP Singh, Chandrasekhar, PV Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, HD Deve Gowda, Indra Kumar, Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi. Presidents of India: Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, Zakir Hussain, Varagiri Venkatagiri, Fakruti Ali Ahmad, Neelam Sanju Reddy, Zaini Zalsingh, Ramaswamy Venkataraman, Shankar Dayal Sharma, K.R. Narayan, APJ Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patel, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Draupadi Murmu. Thank you.